Let's get to know the Oase Filtral UVC pond filters. There are three models, the 400, 800, and 1600. This is the Filtral UVC 400. The numbers refer to the maximum pond size in gallons that the filters will keep clean and clear when there are few or no fish. Filter capacity drops in half when fish are added. Filtral UVC filters are a true all-in-one solution for small features, providing pump, filter, and UV clarifier, along with 3 fountain heads, even aeration. They are designed to sit in shallow water and create a decorative display. If you're using the nozzle display, the maximum depth you can submerge them is 24 inches for the 400, 25 inches for the 800, and 26 inches for the 1600. The information on the box is printed in English, French, and Spanish. Inside, documentation includes a manual, warranty, safety information, and the clear water guarantee. The manual has a parts list with clear illustrations, an assembly guide, installation and maintenance cleaning procedures, then storage, winterization, and a troubleshooting guide, all in 3 languages. The Filtrals feature a decorative fountain assembly with a ball mount with a blue locking ring to adjust the fountain head. A valve T-fitting with a blue handle adjusts the flow to the fountain head or to a second outlet that can drive a small spitter or waterfall. 3 fountain heads are included for different effects. The 800 and 1600 also come with a venturi to increase oxygenation and circulation. Open the blue clips on the housing to access the 2 types of filter media inside. The pump, and the UVC for cleaning and maintenance. There are 2 additional types of biomedia in the body. And that's everything you need to know about the Filtral UVC series, but we're afraid to ask. Next up, installing the Filtral. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.